Police constable charged in relation to alleged abuse of girlfriend. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The policeman who was arrested 2 weeks ago after being accused of physically assaulting his girlfriend has been charged with various offenses by the Area 2 police. Constable Ryan Anderson, who is attached to the Portland Police Division, was charged last week following a ruling by the Director of Public Prosecution. He's facing charges of rape, grievous sexual assault, 3 counts of assault occasionally bodily harm, unlawful wounding, and malicious destruction of property. The St. Mary police commenced an investigation after the woman filed a criminal complaint. It was reported that during the period November 13 to 29, the woman was handcuffed and severely beaten after she was accused of being unfaithful. It's alleged that she was reportedly kicked and struck in the face with a bottle. The constable has reportedly denied the allegations. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.